Skyra is more than just a web development company, it's a beacon of digital innovation, dedicated to crafting unparalleled online experiences for businesses across industries. With a passionate team of visionary designers, savvy developers, and strategic thinkers, Skyra sets the benchmark for website excellence.
Moreover, we craft websites that are not just visually stunning, but also strategically designed to help your business soar. Our team of expert designers and developers collaborate closely with you to understand your unique needs and goals, ensuring that every aspect of your website reflects your brand identity and resonates with your target audience.
Yes, at Skyra, every project is a masterpiece in the making. Our websites are meticulously tailored to reflect the unique essence and aspirations of each client. That is, from sleek corporate platforms to dynamic e-commerce portals. Every website is a fusion of cutting-edge technology, captivating design, and seamless functionality. Looking forward to get a website? Trust me, with all of these amazing features we offer, I honestly think you're missing out on something great for your business. And of course, what sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to our clients' success. We don't just build websites, we architect digital ecosystems that drive growth, engagement, and conversion. Through in-depth consultation and collaboration, we decode client objectives and transform them into dynamic digital solutions that resonate with their target audience and propel businesses forward. So tell us, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out. Get a website with us for your business today.